In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile public in just a few quick steps. This is useful if you want other people to find your profile more easily, add you as a friend, or let third-party tracking sites see your public Steam information. By default, Steam keeps new accounts on restricted privacy settings, so if you want your profile, game details, or playtime to be visible, you'll need to change a few settings manually. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner and click your username. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your Steam profile page. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and click it. This opens the main profile settings where you can control your profile name, avatar, background, and privacy options. After that, find privacy settings in the left sidebar and click on it. This is where Steam lets you control who can see different parts of your account. Now look for the setting called My Profile. By default, this may be set to private or friends only. Click the drop-down and change it to public. This makes your main profile visible to everyone, which is the key step if you want your profile to be openly accessible. But there's one more important setting to check. If you want others to see your game library, recent activity, achievements, or playtime, you also need to set game details to public. Without that, your profile may be public, but your games and playtime could still stay hidden. So make sure to update that option as well if your goal is to fully show off your Steam activity. Once you've made those changes, Steam should save them automatically and your profile will now be public. You can go back to your profile page and review how it appears from a public view if you want to double check everything. This is a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference whether you're trying to connect with friends, join communities, or use Steam tracking tools, and that's it. You've now made your Steam profile public. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments what Steam guide you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.